Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the Windows socket level to Windows data level. So, in recording options, how to change this socket level to Windows data Win level data. So, go to the recording options. Go to the recording options. After going to recording options, go to network and mapping and filter. So, in this, you will have capture level. And capture level you have in a socket level data and winnet level data. So if your script is not working on socket level data, then switch to winnet data, or if it's still not working, then change it to say, socket level and win level. So it will take whichever is possible while recording the script. As it's recording in my machine, so I'm not changing any of my configuration here. So based on your requirements, so you can change the win socket level data, and you can use any proxies or any filtering if you want. The server name, like if you don't want to record your Google request, and this you can add your filters here. So this is how we need to make our network level changes, capture level changes in LoadRunner. Thanks for listening, this friends.